If you're seeing the message that your device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account, don't worry. It's a common issue and usually has a few simple fixes. Let's walk through them so you can get back to watching your favorite shows. First, check the devices connected to your Netflix account. Log in on a browser, click on your profile in the top right corner, and go to Account, Devices, and Activity. Here, you'll see all devices currently logged in. If there are any devices you don't recognize or no longer use, go ahead and sign out of them. This refreshes your device list and can clear up any incorrect or lingering sessions that might be causing the error. Next, check if you're using a VPN. VPNs can make Netflix think you're accessing your account from a different location, which often triggers this message. Disconnect from your VPN. On a laptop, go to Settings, Network and Internet, VPN, and disconnect. On a phone or smart TV, make sure any active VPN is turned off. If that still doesn't work, try restarting Netflix and resetting your internet connection. Close the Netflix app completely, then temporarily disconnect from Wi-Fi. On a mobile device, you can enable airplane mode, and on a smart TV, just turn off Wi-Fi for a moment. This resets Netflix's connection and can help resolve session issues. Once you're done, reconnect to Wi-Fi and reopen Netflix. You should now be able to access your account without any errors. To avoid this problem in the future, make sure all your devices are properly registered within your Netflix household. Also, keep an eye on Netflix's account sharing policies, as updates may change which devices can access your account. Following these steps should ensure smooth streaming and no more frustrating errors.